Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my English learning class, and I'm gonna tell you some vegetable names in English we use daily in our life as being Urdu speaker. First one is ladyfinger, okra we use for bindi. Secondly, zucchini we used for tori. Loofah we use for ghia tori. Bitter gourd we use for karela. Ginger we use for adrak. Garlic we use for lesan. Carrot we use for gajar. Last, radish we use for mooli. This is part 1. We'll meet inshallah in the next class, so watch till the end to get more educational videos like this, and I hope you've been got my point. Thanks for watching me, and remember me, dear peers. Allah Hafiz. See you soon inshallah.